Hey guys, this is Axel from Pedal Electric. Today I'm going to show you the removal and installation of the front fork. We're going to do it on an all-wheel drive S, but the process is also the same for the core. For the installation and removal process of the front fork, it will need a 21mm wrench, a 3mm Allen, a 4mm Allen, and a 5mm Allen. First major step that we're going to do in this process is we're going to use our 3mm Allen and we're going to loosen up this clamp. We're going to undo our motor cable, and then we're going to, with our 21mm, we're going to remove the front wheel. Next, we're going to have to remove our headlight. So we're going to use a 3mm Allen and also an 8mm wrench to be able to get the screws on the mounting points and remove the headlight. We have to remove our brake line, which is attached to the fork here. So with your 3mm, undo the clamp to release the brake line. And with your 5mm, we're going to remove the caliper. We need to remove the pinch bolts on the neck here, and then this is going to allow us to pull the handlebars and roll them forward off. Last step before the whole fork is going to drop out, we're going to release the triple tree clamp here. I keep the pinch bolt attached here, which will be the last one that I release. And we're going to remove these two screws. We're going to loosen the pinch bolt here, and that's going to allow the front end to drop out of the triple tree here. Make sure you hold on to your cap. This will be loose. And then evenly slide the front fork out. Your neck is going to have a cup with bearings. Sometimes you'll need to actually change this cup out. If your neck gets loose and you ride with a loose neck, you can actually hollow out some of this material here and it'll make your neck feel loose. So we're going to go bearings, upper cup, and then this is going to be a plastic washer that goes in between the front fork neck and our triple tree. Now if you have trouble getting the triple tree onto the forks, it's okay to take like a rubber mallet and gently tap on the triple tree to be able to get them in. And sometimes you won't need it. At this point, you can just tighten one of these. We're gonna have to adjust this in, but at least this way the fork is not gonna fall out on you. Spacers, handlebars and stem, and your crown screw. So you're just gonna snug this in here, and we're gonna line forks up to make sure that they're even. So you want the top of the fork flush right here. As you can see, this side is raised, which means they're not even. And you can manipulate this one up or the other one down. There we go, just about even. Now go ahead and tighten the top triple tree. Now you'll notice if you look up here, there's going to be some free play. It's because our neck is not completely set in yet. So the way to do this is you want to loosen the bottom 4 pinch bolts on the bottom triple tree, and then we're going to tighten the crown stem here. Leaving the top tight and loosening the bottom while we tighten this neck in is going to allow the spacing on the forks to be even while it pulls the headset together. And you're going to tighten it with the top stem screw. And we don't have any forward or backward rocking motion, and we no longer have any free play. Now that we've tightened our headset, we've got the new suspension fork on. We're going to go ahead and install our headlight, then we're going to install our brake caliper, and then we're going to install our front wheel. This completes the removal and installation of the front forks on an all-wheel drive S and Core model. Thank you for watching our how-to video. If you have any other questions, comments, or concerns, you go ahead and hit the link below and reach out to us directly at the tech support department.